Hey, what's up, YouTube? It's Chuck back with Chuck's Hobby Spot again. I wanted to do another quick kit review. This one will be hopefully quicker than the 17 plus minutes, maybe 18 flat on the other video, but I hope you watched the other video and enjoyed it. If you can do me a favor, hit like and subscribe if you're watching this. It really helps me out. I'm trying to get my watch hours up, so I've also put into my YouTube, you can binge watch, you can watch whatever you can just watch my stuff and see all the videos if you want. So anyway, enough about me. I want to do a quick kit review on this. This here I'm kind of excited about. This kit's pretty detailed, and I am going to build this kit. I think it's going to make a good kit. So other than this kit, I'm also going to do a quick little thing on this. So let me just do this real quick. This here I bought, and I'm going to do some spoons and stuff and test it out so we can all see it. It's by Stuart Semple. I think it's Culture Creations. I'll put the thing up here. I've seen some other people spraying it, and it sprays pretty good. It's supposed to spray and mimic chrome just as good or better than Alclad, and it might just be something we all use, and I've seen the guy brushing on, man, that stuff looked good. So check his stuff out. And he runs a nice little business. I mean, the guy's prompt with sending stuff, and he seems very business friendly. So I mean, it seems like a great company. So anyway, we'll be doing some more reviews on this, and I'll put a little thing up there so you guys can see where to go. So check them out. Check other videos out. They seem like it works. So let's get back to the Tamiya Minolta Toyota 88CV kit. So this kit here, a buddy of mine, Dave Bell, bought me. Because I take him to all the club meetings. He can't drive at night anymore, so I take him to the club meetings, and I took him to the last Model Zona show. So and I like driving him up there. So I mean, that's not a big thing for me. He's a really, really good guy, good friend. Always has good conversation. We seem to build the same kind of stuff and enjoy each other's company. So I mean, he wanted to give me gas money, and I wouldn't take it. So I was looking at some of the scale finishes stuff and outspending some money, and he walked up with this kit and said, you know what, you won't take my gas money, so you better take the kit. So he bought me a kit, and it's pretty nice. So well, let's take a look at it. And to me, it always makes a great kit. So you guys want to see the box art? Let's check it out. It's pretty cool. I think it's gonna be a neat kit. Yeah, let me read you this. So no, just kidding. I can't read that. Come on now. Pan in on that. Yeah, look at that. I bet it's got that kind of detail too. So anyway, we've seen enough of that. We'll take a look at the instructions. Tells a little bit about the car. And I'll let you guys look at it just in case you guys want to pause on it. This is the language most of you guys can probably read. Pretty detailed. Looks like a full engine kit too. Stuff I can do with this. I think we're skipping some pages. It's gonna be fun. Pretty good. side. Hear that? I'm gonna enjoy this kit. Maybe too much. Dave might have started another addiction here. Maybe I'll start getting into these a lot. The glass, always great in Tamiya kits. These the clear parts, great, great, great. Let's cut this open here. Interior bucket. I'll probably put real belts in there. A lot of good detail on that. These Tamiya kits always have awesome detail. Let's see if I can move this out of the way, you can see it better, huh? Yep, the engine half. Pretty nice. I'm gonna try to do more kit reviews. I know people like to do them. Look at the rubber on this kit, it's so awesome. Man, this is nice. Super awesome. I don't want to open them because I don't want to get tire burn. Now look at this, the doors come up. This is awesome, awesome, awesome. Should I open it? Yeah, I'm gonna open this for you guys. Look at me being rude. I'm so rude. I'll save the plastic, I'll put it back in there. This is nice, man. You can almost paint this thing without any cleanup. Man. This is what I call top-notch superb. I should pre-cut this. I said that in my last video too, so. There's the tire stickers. I don't want to take this off. Pretty cool, huh? Okay. The bottom piece here. Man, this thing's so clean. This is like next level clean, man. It's almost like it don't need paint. But, you know, I'm gonna paint it, but of course. Of course, don't yell, people. Look at that. This is actually a really nice kit. I don't think it'll be too hard to build. Look at the decals here. I don't want to open these, but give you an idea what they look like. Window mask, man, I love that when these things come with that. Makes it so much easier. Inside the box, I don't think you guys really care about that, but I really think this is going to be a nice kit. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed what was in the box, you know, the kit, because this is going to be done probably this year, and I say that about all the kits, but this one I'm really looking forward to doing. I enjoyed the Red Bull car. That was fun. I'm starting to get into this decal, whatever you guys call them. A couple guys in my club got me into these decals, decals, and I'm starting to enjoy doing it. So this video is rolling on 10 minutes. This crap video is rolling on 10 minutes. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I don't know why you guys watch this crap, but you do, and I appreciate it. So you guys all take care, and see you in the next video. Hoping to do an update on the Nova, get some primer on it, get some paint going, and try not to be a stranger. Okay, guys, you guys all take care. Have a good one. Bye.